Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save a render image in 3ds Max. As the first step, go ahead and open up your viewport. And then in here, just go to the top, click on rendering, and then click on render setup. Or you can just go ahead and press F10. Okay. F10. There you go. We now have the render setup window. Scroll all the way down until you find the render output section. Click on files. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want, and to also give it a name. For example, sample PNG. Let's use PNG this time. Save as type PNG or whatever file type you need. All right, and then just click on save. I'm going to use 48-bit colors right here. I'm going to hit on continue. And after that, just click on create now and hit on continue. Now this method right here is automatic saving. It ensures the render is saved automatically once completed. It is crucial for animations or long renders. Now, another option, go to the top or the very top, we have the render option. Just click on it. Make sure to select the object. Click on render. And here we have it. Now to save it finally, you have here the save button at the top left. Click on it. Save it wherever you want. Of course, select the file type as well. I'm going to go ahead and use PNG. 1, 2, 3, 4, just for example. And then I'm going to hit on save. Save. Wait a bit. Close this one. Minimize. And here we have it. All right. Here we have the auto-saved one and the manual save. That is it. That's how simple it is to save a render image in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.